Hey everybody, it's Mark here from Anubis Paranormal Society, and I've had a few queries on how I get my EVPs digitally cleaned up and the background noise removed and etc. How I get them into a video state and how I share them, etc. So I'm going to go through a little tutorial here, see if maybe I can help some of you out. First things first, I downloaded a program and it's called Audacity. It was a free download, and what it is it's an audio program. Allows you to remove background noises and alter anything that's an audio recording. You can alter it any way you want, but it's a great program, and bonus, it's free. So I open that up. First thing I do is after downloading my recording that I hope I captured an EVP on. First thing I do is I download it onto my computer, and then I just, using Audacity, go over here and I open it up, and I'll select it's a random one here. So you can see the profile of this recording I got about a month ago. It's fairly squiggly because there's a lot of background noise and talking and etc. So the first thing I usually do is have a good listen to it, see if there's anything there. If there is, like in this one, there was something here, I believe. There's a lot of wind noise in here. So what you do, first of all, is you want to get rid of that background noise so that you can better hear the voices and etc. So the first thing you want to do is go over here, just select this area right here, and if you click it once, it'll turn all this sort of a purpley color. Then you go up here to Effects, scroll on down to Noise Removal. It's the first tool I always use. Then you get a noise profile, and what that is you want to get, give the computer a sample of the noise you want to pull off of the recording, the one you want to cancel out. So get a noise profile by clicking the play button. It'll start playing and recording whatever noise you want to remove. So I know the first part right in here is just wind when I was standing outside. So I want to get rid of the wind. So you press play, let it get a sample of the wind, then press stop. You can move it along and get a sample wherever you want, and or you can highlight an area of let's say birds chirping or something that you want to get rid of. Then you just have to hit play. It'll get a sample of that noise and it'll store it, and then later you can tell the program that you want to remove it. So now I've got my sample. I go back into Effects. Sorry about the quality on this there. Go back down to Noise Removal. Now I've got my noise profile. I always slide the bar over to the left because I want it to remove very little wind noise as possible. I still want to remain some background noise, and you can keep going back and clearing out more and more as you go. So I always slide it over to the left to less. Then I hit Noise Removal. Remove Noise. You'll see the program up here will change as all the noise is removed. Now you can see that the shape of the audio recording has now changed as all the wind noise throughout the whole recording has been removed. As far as tools, I only use noise removal and the FFT filter for now. I haven't had to go too hardcore into all these different filters. FFT filter, and the noise removal filter, probably the best ones that you should just start off using. After you've got it down to getting rid of the background noise so that your EVP is clearly recorded, you can hear it clearly without any background noise, you just have to save your file. It's pretty straightforward. You file, export as WAV. You have to download more programs to download it, to export it as an MP3, so exporting as a WAV, much easier. So export as WAV. I'm just going to save it to my desktop so I can grab it easily later. Hit save. Of course it already exists. And so now I've saved this. So I've got two files, the original and the new one with the noise removed. Now what I do is go down to the program here where I've saved it on my desktop and make sure it's there. Now the second thing I did was I downloaded Windows Movie Maker. Some of you may already have it on your computer, some of you may not. It's a free download from Microsoft. You just have to open that up. Now here Movie Maker, as you can see, allows you to make movies. If you've seen some of my EVP videos I made into movies, you can add video or pictures in here, you can add audio or music in here, and of course you can text down in here. You can have instructional on your video or anything text, the beginning, on a picture, etc. Just take a look at one of my videos if you want to see how it looks. So as what you do is you import the file that you just saved out of Audacity. So you want to go to import into collections, and on my desktop here there's the one we just finished saving out of Audacity. You want to import it. Here's the clip here. Now all you have to do is slide it down. Slides straight down into the music. Now if I wanted to, I could add pictures. Just import some pictures, and you just click and drag them, drop them, and in here it's pretty easy as far as figuring it out goes. I mean, I figured it out in about 2 minutes. You can do all different kinds of things in here, make movies. Then the number one thing that I recommend is after you're done, make sure you watch by going over here, and if you click play, it's going to take whatever you put down here and show you what other people are going to be showing. I've made spelling mistakes, as some of you have noticed and stuff, and you can kind of screw up and whatever. You can fix all your problems here by viewing it first. At last, after you're all done and happy with your project, you go up here to File, and you hit Save Movie File. Don't press Save Project As. Save the movie file. The program, Windows Movie Maker, will actually save it into a format where you can directly upload it right to YouTube without having to fuss. So that's it. Any questions, post away, boys and girls. I hope you have a great day. Bye-bye.